So coming back again with me with Indonesia uniqueness. So today I would like to bring you to the growth city in Indonesia, the vacation city, the most favorite spot for all the tourism to Indonesia. Welcome to Lombok Islands. So these destinations are not very big different with our previous video, which is Bali. This place also have a beautiful beaches and also an authentic culture. And surprisingly, the MotoGP circuit will be built in Lombok Island. I really want to introduce this destination because not a lot of people out there knowing this place or maybe a spot of the uniqueness of Indonesia, and we call it the hidden paradise of Indonesia. Welcome to Lombok Island. So like what I've told you before, so this is the master plan of Mandalika Sirkuit or MotoGP circuit in Lombok that will be finished in 2021. So here is the illustration of the construction or maybe the master plan of Mandalika Sirkuit. So like the video showing over here, there are some VIP and VVIP stage, and on the first floor there is a hotel available for all the tourism or maybe for all the riders that will have a race, so they can have a rest a day before the event. So here are some information about Mandalika Circuit. So this circuit have 4.32 kilometers length with 19 turns. Oh, there is so much. And for the paddock area, it can accommodate until 40 garage. And for the grandstand seat capacity is until 50,000. And stand space capacity until 138,000. So from all this information, I think you can imagine how great and how big this circuit would be. So as you can see in the video showing, so here are the progress of construction in Mandalika Circuit nowadays. So this circuit would be finished maybe in 2021 and will be tested by the one and only Valentino Rossi. So I think that's all from me. That's all I can have to say. I hope you guys will visit this uniqueness of Indonesia. Don't forget to like, comment, and please share this video to all your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.